Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So let's get right into this video. I'm not going to keep you long today, but I want to show you a super simple, effective method of twisting some bar when you don't have a twisting wrench or when this is really unhandy to take and have an adjustable twisting wrench like this. Now, this will come into play when you are needing multiple pieces twisted and say that they're all in the same direction in a project, or maybe you have a hit or issue to where this is knocking against your vise stand itself or post where the bar is shorter. This method will really be handy for you. So I already got a piece heated up in the fire. Let me grab that real quick and I will showcase what I'm talking about. So we got this piece heated up here in the fire. We're going to go ahead and lock it off in the vise here. Nice and tight like. And then we're just going to use a ratchet with a socket that seems to fit over that 3/8 inch bar. Push it on there. And now you have a ratcheting action for a twisting wrench. And if you got a much bigger, say a much bigger twisting wrench, or much bigger ratchet, if you will, this effect can go even better. So there you have it. Work at getting that socket off there. If you can't get the socket off right away, don't worry about it. You can always cool down that end of bar and take it off. This isn't the best socket set. I have this for another project. It's actually just a really cheap one from Harbor Freight. But there you have it. Pretty simple, quick, effective. You can use a socket that just fits over the size or diameter of the stock that you're using. Yep, get rid of that like that. And you can make some really quick and efficient twists like that. And you could have maybe 10, 15 bars lined up to do this, especially if you're working in a gas forge and one right after the other. Just go with the ratchet and socket set. So anyways, I hope that'll help some of you out there, maybe think a little bit outside the box. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to support more videos and content like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and go check out our website, blacksmithpdfs.com. That's it for today. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.